Have you ever wondered why almost everyone's height is somewhere in the middle and not extremely tall or short? Or why a bag of sugar is almost always exactly 1 kilogram? This isn't a coincidence. It's the normal distribution, the famous bell curve. It's the mathematical pattern that emerges when countless small, random factors are at play, governing everything from our biology to industrial manufacturing. This symmetrical curve holds a powerful secret, the 68-95-99.7 rule. It tells us that for any normally distributed trait, like IQ, about 68% of all people fall within one standard deviation, or one standard step, from the average. 95% fall within 2 steps, and a massive 99.7% is within 3. This means if you're 3 steps away from the average in anything, you are a true statistical outlier. But how do we compare different things, like getting an 80% on a hard math test versus an easy English test? We use a z-score. It measures exactly how many standard deviations a value is from its mean. That 80% in math might have a z-score of +2, meaning you were 2 full steps above your classmates. But in the easier English test, that same score might only be a z-score of +1. The z-score proves your math performance was far more exceptional, even though the raw score was identical. This isn't just for school. Drink companies use it to ensure their 500 milliliter bottles are never underfilled by aiming for a slightly higher average. Insurance companies use it to model lifespans and set premiums. From standardized exams to factory quality control, the bell curve is the silent mathematics that brings predictable order to a world of randomness.